Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard. Today is day 3 and we're going to visit 3 different towns that are kind of close to here. They are really cute. There is a lot of stuff to watch and to eat as always. We are preparing to leave and the weather today is a little bit better. It's a bit cloudy, but finally look at this. We have sun. I don't know if you can see, but we are here where there is the heart. We are going Locoro, Chesterino and Ostuni down here. So first we're gonna start with Locorotondo, but I don't have internet. Of course. So let's go.
Today I want to try orecchiette pugliesi. Oh, che carino.
What the hell? We have a dog in our house. Like we didn't know. Bye. And we are always in these kind of country roads with broken trolleys and these kind of rock walls. They're really crazy looking. Look at this.
Hi guys, we are here in Locorotondo.
And we struggled like half an hour to find a parking spot,
yes,
but we finally here. There is a really good smell of good food. And basically you can see the main theme of this place, white.
Questo, colino.
And there is a wedding, of course, Saturday. And I forgot to make the video, but we ate another focaccia and it's 12 o'clock.
Very good.
And you can hear the clock is ticking 12 o'clock. And we are back in the car. We visited Locorotondo. And it was really cool, all white, and I couldn't fly FPV because it was really packed, but Mavic Mini did an amazing job today. I'm really satisfied with it. And now we are going to Ostuni, which is another white city, probably.
Called the White City.
Okay, it's called the White City, and we are gonna have lunch because it's almost 1 o'clock and we're starting to get hungry, you know us. So, we are actually making a stop in a place she knows
Panzerotti.
it's famous for Panzerotti, the fried calzones basically.
Yeah.
And it's called Tony Bar here in Speziale, which is like a super small
It's the
place.
best in the zone.
And it's the best, so we're gonna try that. And basically, if you look inside, there is meat and mozzarella. This is basically a hot pocket. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is with Nutella this time.
I love it.
And now we are in Ostuni, finally. We ate all the kind of calzones. He makes 3 kind of Panzerotti, with tomato, with meat and with Nutella. We tried them all, they're all freaking fantastic.
want to try almond milk.
Yeah, we want to try almond milk right now. I'm a bit sad, these places are amazing, but Look how narrow they are. Like, I managed to find the terrace to fly my Mavic Mini, but FPV is a no-go here, it's too narrow. Status update. I got a glass of almond milk, super sweet, super good, tasty. And I have Beatrice that wants to see a marriage take place. And we got a Phantom 4 flying up my head, totally illegal. And we have this kind of trikes going up the hill all the way. Look at this.
We didn't see the wedding, but we see all the preparation.
Yeah, and the Phantom 4 advanced over, people said, of course. We are inside of Italy, and people don't even care about those kind of stuff. So I'm making too many problems about my lightweight FPV drones. Status update number 35. Now we are finally in the city today. It's 5 o'clock and it's called Chesterino. It's on the way back home, and Beatrice here suggested this place. I look at there. There are those arts, the street is straight, there is a church, perfect spot to fly FPV. And this drone is perfect if you wanna fly in urban landscapes and if there is no wind, of course, because this thing, when wind is not the best. But if there is no wind, it is perfect. It flies amazing, and you don't disturb people. They don't even notice it flying, and it's the best. I flew with the Dison 75 there. I didn't find another good spot. Flew with the Mavic and realized there are no other good spots here. So we're going home, but first we're gonna go to the groceries and probably get some fish and cook it on the barbecue, because that's what we do on Saturday. We wanted to do the barbecue, but we're missing basically everything for the bar, food included. So I wanted to find a grocery store. We found one, it was super small, I didn't even care about going in, and I looked on another one in the map and it was like, it's big, but I didn't even imagine it was this big. Just look at this, it starts there, it ends down there, and like if you're in USA probably you are used to this, but in Italy this is freaking big. Yes, this place is so big. Freaking big. And now I'm switching to the other camera because the Fimi Palm just can't do it at night. We are back home finally. We took a really big detour at the grocery store. This is the Trullo right here at night. And now it's time for the barbecue. And we didn't find fish that was really good for us, so we found local thing called bombette, which is like meat rolls with cheese inside, very good. And we bought many different kinds of bombette, some sausages and even a hamburger, so let's do those. So this is the meat we have, and also there is a cat that's really wanting all of that meat. We have 2 hamburgers with some ham into it. Then we have a fasano sausage, it's called like that. And then we have this, which is special here, it's called bombette. And we have 3 different kinds. We have bombetta with mortadella and pistachio. Then we have, I don't know, probably it's gorgonzola cheese with chestnuts, walnuts, I will write it. And then we have with speck and scamorza cheese. Yeah, I can't wait to try them.
Yeah.
That's the way.
Explain.
That's the way you light a fire. Fastest way.
And salsiccia of fasano.
Look at them bombette being made, and look at them bombette being eaten.
Very, very good.
And that's all for today. We ate half of the bombette, we're gonna eat the other half tomorrow, and now we have some ice cream
Barattolino San Montana.
with peanuts inside and a lot of stuff, and we're gonna crush it and go to bed because we're freaking tired.
Ingresso omaggio
So,
Gardaland.
see you tomorrow. Bye.
Amore